Epsco has survived the last 2 decades and succeeded purely because we have consistently been training our people, upgrading the knowledge of the higher management, lower management, right down to the last peon. Training is a continuous, constant process. We've identified what we want to do and what we want to get trained on. We've created a training matrix for our entire staff. There are maybe 15 programs. We've already identified what we want our senior management to be trained on, middle management and operational teams to be trained on. It could be anything from small soft skills to safety, to environment, to a hazardous material handling, or working in very highly contaminated, contained zones. It's a very wide spectrum of training over and over again. I've gone to the trouble of personally training myself and also certifying myself as a trainer. I've encouraged my senior managers to do the same and them down the line. If a team leader does not know to do a 15-minute small toolkit training program for his team, he cannot be a team leader. Every day to have a subject to talk about. I also do US certified courses which are 5 days in length, which certifies my teams to work in hazardous environments. So right from daily 10-minute tool talk to a 5-day program, we conduct this regularly. And what we cannot do internally, we send people outside for training institutes to get them certified. Like we train people on safety courses for NIOSH, NIBOSH, NISAP. Their growth and capabilities are rewarded because they bring value addition to the company. If a person on a training matrix achieves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, he's an asset to the company, to the environment. He should be motivated to learn more, motivated to get himself certified. And that is the only way to survive and make the organization grow. I'm studying even today, I'm learning even today. I'm going for another certification program in the next 15 days. And I encourage our other team managers to take out time, learn knowledge, educate yourself and pass it on. So training is the key ingredient for the success of any company. And that's what we're looking at for ours too. I specifically do courses for, one is asbestos supervisor contractor. This is a US EPA registered course as per HERA. I also do course for asbestos abatement designer planner, asbestos inspector. I've got myself certified and I conduct these courses mostly for internal. There are some corporates who ask for these courses. I provide that service to them also. These courses are for safety on indoor environments, on mold remediation. I'll just tell you how the training helps. 2 days back, we were installing something outside our building. It's not just me. He saw the guy work outside. Because he was so well trained, that attitude has created. He immediately reacted that how the hell did he get up on the wall without a safety belt? And this is what training does. And this is what is required. These are small things, but they are life-saving. It's not only protecting their life, it's protecting the life of their families who are dependent on it. And that happens by training. And we're trying to enforce it by not a stick, but by education and by training. And it works.